Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, I have a whole video from the Dollar Tree. I stopped by the Dollar Tree and I picked up a few things that I want to show you guys. Now, they have a collection called Shore Living, which is all beachy themed collection. And they really have a lot of cute things. So I bought a few things from that collection. I want to show you guys what I have here. What I'm planning to do is we're planning to decorate the office with all these beachy themes. My co-worker actually came up with the idea and I thought it was brilliant. So we're going to start working on that. I'm also going to be doing a series with all these projects that we're going to be doing together. I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are going to be very excited about the series. And if you like beachy themes or like ocean themes, you're going to love what we're going to create together. All right, my loves. So let me show you what I have here, and then we'll discuss more about the series. So I bought these really fun stickers. Again, it's from the same collection. Look at it right here. This is what it's called, in case you guys are looking for, right? Looking for some things. It's called Shore Living. I love it. So the stickers are really, really fun, and they're so cute. I picked this one up. I thought it was really fun and very like beachy, right? I also picked this one up, which I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love this little like beach bag here. And they just have really pretty stickers. This one I absolutely adore. I love this bird, this starfish. I love these little sandals. They're just absolutely brilliant. I love it. All right, I picked this one up and I like it because it has these like mermaids right here, which I thought it was really pretty. You got a nice little whale right there, and it's just so cute. All right, I picked up a few of these because I'm thinking of doing a really fun embellishment with these. So these are really fun, gorgeous seashells, and they just look absolutely beautiful. They're so, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're so sparkly and they're so gorgeous. So we're going to do some really fun projects with these. All right, that is for the stickers. I also picked up I also picked up these paper straws because they have like starfish and seahorse, and I thought these were really fun to make like a nice wand or a nice embellishment with. So I picked up this one, and I picked up this one also. All right, I picked up this bag because I thought that I can DIY this bag into some sort of embellishment, because I absolutely love this. You see how gorgeous? It just gives me the illusion of like water, like beachy water. So I thought this would be awesome. So we're going to use this absolutely to do some sort of embellishment. I don't know exactly yet what, but I am so much waiting to use this. These are these little fabric gift bags, and they have other colors. They also have pink and they also have mint. I just grabbed the blue one. Okay, they had these really awesome quarter fabrics that are Nautical inspired, and I thought these were really pretty. You get this really nice blue and white with the like the rope, like a sailor's rope kind of. Then you get this one that has the seahorse. You really can't see it, but it has the seahorse. I should open this up for you guys. I don't have my scissors. Let me see. Okay, there we go. See? It has the seahorse. It's so beautiful, isn't it? All right, let's open this one. This one is just very simple. It's blue and white, and it just has like the, you know, the sailor rope design. And then this one, which is my favorite, has a lot of gorgeous starfish. I've never seen a starfish in person. I've never held a starfish. I would love to just hold the starfish in my hand and just see how it looks up close. That would be so much fun. But I love it. I love these fabrics are really, really pretty. Okay, now I bought these because I thought these were super appropriate for what we're doing. And so I just picked these up. I got 4 of them. We have 4 rooms, so I figure 4 would be enough. And they're just like these like nautical rope balls, and I just thought they were really pretty. Will look nice in the rooms with something. Maybe we can add some like I don't know, some like seashells or something. I just thought they were really pretty. So I picked up 4 of these. And I also picked up the sea glass because I thought that this would be awesome to incorporate with this beachy theme. And so I picked up 2 of these little sea glass baggies, which I love. Okay. I picked up these. Papi, what are these called? Do you know what these called? Anchors. Ah! Yes, my love. Anchors. I had like a brain fart. I couldn't remember what these were. Okay. I got these anchors. They were so cute. I think they have these in blue and in white. I didn't find any. I just found these 2, but I thought they were really pretty. I might keep these for myself. I'm not sure. I just love these. All right. And then I found these amazing, gorgeous little embellishments. I fell in love with this embellishment. I thought that these sailboats were just so freaking gorgeous. And FYI, you can always use these for 4th of July because it's kind of like the 4th of July colors, right? Red, white, and blue. So that's a really good little tip. But I thought these were really, really pretty, and I just loved them. They were just so beautiful. The way they are, the color coordination on it is just beautiful. So I grabbed 2 of these. I grabbed 2 of these fillers because I have an idea on what I want to do, which I think is going to be, oh my God, it's going to come out so beautiful. So I grabbed 2 of these, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to use this with. But you're going to have to watch my series for that. So look how shiny these are. Aren't these gorgeous? I love them. And I also picked up one of these because we're going to also use this as well. These are like just little like fake pearls. All right. Okay. I found 3 little fishies, which I thought these were super cute. Aren't these adorable? I wish I had one more because we have 4 rooms, but I'd probably just keep this maybe somewhere in the like MA area or something. But I thought these were so cute. I love them. Look at that. Look how cute these little fishies are. So adorable. So I picked up 3 of these. Okay. They had a whole bunch of wood veneers or like wood shaped. And I bought a whole bunch. So I got this anchor, which I thought it was beautiful. You get 6 in here. I picked up one of these. I picked up this really cute, adorable whale. Again, 6. I think they all come with 6. I picked up this really adorable little turtle. I picked up 2 seahorses. I fell in love with these seahorses. I just can't wait to work on these. These are so cute. Seahorses. Another one I would love to see in person. Okay, I picked up 2 of these starfish. These are really pretty. And then I picked up 2 of these little tiny little shelf wood shape. These are really cute. We can make like really cute embellishments, or we can even make like a nice banner out of these. I'm just so excited. My friend like really does not know what she started, because I was so excited when I found these. Okay, and then I got these really fun dolphin. These are so cute. All right, so then I found, I'm just thinking right now, I think I left a bag in the car, because I also found clippies of like fish shapes, and I don't see them here, so I may have left those in the car. All right, I got these really fun little decorative pillows. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I just thought they were so freaking adorable that I just grabbed them. I thought they were really, really cute. I found, okay, so this is one of the things that I found that I was so excited for. Oh my goodness. I found these are sand dollars, I think it's called, and they're like 3-in-1 little baggies, and I was so excited to find these, guys. I was like, oh my god, if I didn't have like a theme that I really like in my bathroom, I would absolutely change it to these kind of theme, because it's just such wonderful, awesome things they have from this collection. It's just beautiful. It's very tempting to kind of like rearrange your house. I just bought a whole bunch of these sand dollars because I was thinking of doing a really fun project with them. I was very disappointed though, I have to admit. Okay, I have to admit, I was very disappointed. I only found one of these starfish little baggies. I was so disappointed. I was hoping that I could find more of these, but I am going to go back in a few days, and I'm going to see if maybe they restocked some of these gorgeous starfish. I love them. They're just so beautiful. All right, so the last thing I want to show you guys is going to be some signs that I also picked up. These signs are really pretty, and I really like them, and I think they're gonna look really pretty. So the first sign is this one right here, which I thought it was really gorgeous sign. It's simple, it's pretty, but I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's pretty. All right, that's the first sign. The second sign is this one right here. Again, simple but very pretty, and it's again the same line, sure living. All right, and I got this one, which I thought was also pretty, right? And I got this one, which I thought it was absolutely adorable, with the mermaid. This is pretty. All right, and then I found these on my way out. I picked these up because I thought these would be brilliant to put in the rooms. These are so beautiful, and they're so inexpensive. I got this one right here, which I thought was beautiful. I got this one right here. I got this one right here with the ocean in the back. And the last one that I got was this one with like the sailboat in the water. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love these. I had a really hard time picking these 4 because they had like so many designs. But I wanted to keep the designs a little bit like neutral. And I didn't want to go too crazy with, you know, putting too many things. All right. The last thing I'm going to show you are these signs that I have here. This one is a really pretty one, and it says wish upon a starfish. It's a wooden. And then this one here is also really pretty. And then I got these, which I thought these were awesome. Mermaid. Mermaids have more fun. All right. I got 2 of these, which I thought these were pretty also. And then the last one that I got was this one right here, which is also very pretty. And that's it, guys. That is all I got from the Dollar Tree. I gotta tell you, this new line is very, very, very cute. They have tons of things. I know that the Dollar Tree that I went to did not have everything out, because I've seen videos and I've seen different things in different videos. So I know that this is just the beginning. Make sure you stop by. If you like what you see here, make sure you stop by the Dollar Tree, and make sure that you keep your eye for these really awesome, wonderful little items that I'm showing you guys. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you hit the notification button, because I'm going to be doing a lot of DIY projects with these items that I showed you guys. I'm going to start a new series. I don't know what I'm going to call it, the series yet, but I guess we'll see when the first tutorial comes out. And I hope that you guys are going to get some really fun ideas and inspiration. So I will see you guys on my next video. I should be working on these really fun DIY projects in the next few days, and just keep an eye on some wonderful tutorials. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you soon, honey bunnies. Bye.